Hey guys, so today I am unboxing my 22nd Stitch Fix. Isn't that crazy? 22. So it's totally unopened. I haven't seen what's in here yet. As always, I am going to unbox and then I will try on my items. I'm feeling a little pudgy today, so don't be too hard on me in the comment section, but please do let me know your thoughts on whether or not I should keep everything. I will also, like usual, post on my Instagram stories and have a poll whether or not, asking you whether or not I should keep the items in here. So definitely, if you are not following me on Instagram already, you should. I post a lot more on there, as well as Snapchat. All my social media links are below. So Stitch Fix is a styling service. I know a lot of people are familiar, but if you have not heard about it or seen any of my Stitch Fix videos, there is a $20 styling fee per month that is applied to anything you purchase, and you get 5 items, and they are curated by a stylist to fit your needs and wants, so you fill out a little survey when you sign up, and you can even tell them your price range. So the average price of items in Stitch Fix is about $55, they say, so it could be above and below that. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. I don't want anything to spill, sorry. Super awesome part of it is that you get a pre-labeled mailing bag, so anything you do not keep you can return for free, and shipping is free both ways. So I don't think I mentioned this yet. When you sign up for Stitch Fix, everyone gets a referral link, so I will leave my referral link below. This link will give you $25 Stitch Fix credit. So if you've been curious about using the service, that is definitely something you should take advantage of. So that will be down below. And there's always a little envelope, and inside this envelope there is a sheet of paper that tells you the pricing of everything. So it's going to list it all here, and then it will also tell you that if you keep all 5 items, then you will get 25% off. So it looks like if I keep all 25 or all 5 of mine, I would save $55.50, which is a plus, you know. And looks like mine are all pretty affordable, but I'll get into it when I try on each item. But my last ones were a little bit more pricey, and I'm on a budget these days, so I let my stylist know, and it looks like she listened to me. So in that envelope, there's also a piece of paper that shows you the items in here and gives you some styling tips, and then there's a little note from your stylist. So I have the same stylist again, Abby. I think this is about the 3rd time I've had Abby. And I'm just gonna read this quick to you. It says, "Hello Kitty, happy Fix Day. I hope you're having an amazing day and that this delivery is a cherry on top for you. In today's fix, I focused on continuing to build your staple wardrobe and expanded more pieces to enjoy this season. Let's start with the Stitch Fix exclusive Kaylee brush knit dress that's going to make for a fun pop of color and print to enjoy in your work and play wardrobe. Add a jacket or sweater as a layering piece for the cooler months ahead. Accessorize with the tie off-white opal ear climbers for a classic jewelry option. For a skirt option in this fix, pair the Stitch Fix exclusive Renee lace pencil skirt that is sure to flatter your curves beautifully. Pair this classic with the navy threads for thoughts knot style top. And be sure to let us know what your closet is needing. Enjoy, Kitty, XO Abby." So that's super cute. They do a really good job, I think, the stylists. They really do put in a lot of effort, and if for some reason you don't like your stylist, you can you have the option when you're checking out to say that you want someone new. So that's the whole thing, but look how beautifully they package everything. They're always wrapped up, and you can see the different fabrics and everything in there. And it looks like I did get a jewelry piece, so that's separate. So you can get clothing, accessories, or jewelry. So I am going to unbox now, and I'll show you what I got. I will start with the jewelry piece. Ooh, this is pretty. I really don't need any more jewelry, but these, oh my god, look how gorgeous these are. I hope that's capturing the beauty of these. It's by Ty, You're My Inspiration, and I'm gonna grab my sheet right here. And it says, these are the Ty Mel Opal ear climbers, and they are $34. So, like I said, I'm on a budget. These are beautiful, so, but I'm just gonna set them aside for now. And again, I will take a picture of those for Instagram, so check it out. I feel like I'm forgetting to tell you guys something important, but hopefully it comes to me. So let's see, the first thing I'm pulling out, I think this is a dress. And I'm sorry, my phone's going off. Let me silence it. Ooh, this is comfy material. So this is by Kaylee, and this is a dress. So this is good for fall in Florida. I've been telling my stylist that because they sent me some things before that were like perfect for fall, but fall for me in Southwest Florida, it's 86 out, I believe, right now. You know, it will get cooler eventually. I think it's a little bit warmer than like the historic values for this month, but you know, so they're listening to what I say. Like each time when you check out, you have the option to like leave some feedback. So I definitely suggest you do that. And let's see, this is so comfy. I might like this. Oh, wrong sheet. This is the Kaylee Sonora Brush Knit Dress, size medium, and it is $54. And this is the most expensive thing in my fix. So there's that, and I will try it on. You'll get a better picture of it when I move the camera back and try it for you guys. The next thing, this looks like it's a skirt she mentioned in the note. I like this. It's got like a lace detail. Let's see, and this is the Renee C. Elvira Lace Pencil Skirt, size medium, and it is $48. So I'll try that on for you, of course. And then my fourth item in my fix, this looks like a navy top by Threads for Thought. Oh, and I like how it, so it's like a slight v-neck, which I like v-necks a lot. And then there's like a little knot in the front. So this is cute. This is definitely something you could like use every day. Like I like comfy clothes, and I'm at home a lot working. So this is the made from ethically made sustainable materials. Oh, my cats are jumping up. Hi babies, you can't come by the clothes. So this is $38. I like navy too. If you haven't noticed, I wear a lot of blue. Ooh, what's this? Oh, cute. This is so soft. I'm all about comfort. Okay, so it's really cute front detail. Like a little cutout. And this is like a 3/4 sleeve green dress. Oh my god, I think I'll like this maybe the best. Super cute. Let's see the pricing on this one. This is by 9 Britain, the Salina Brush Knit Dress in dark green, size medium, and it is $48. So the 5 items all together are $222. And if I keep it all, the total is $166.50. And then I also have some credit, so if I keep everything, it'll be $136.02. So I am going to move the camera back and I'm going to start trying this on for you. And please let me know your opinions below. And I will be right back. Alright, so first I put on the shirt since I have some shorts on right now. I figured that would be the easiest. So this is like comfortable. It's like an everyday type shirt. You can see it does have this little detail in the front, which is cute. Sorry, I just flashed my belly button. Yeah, it's a little small. Okay guys, so now I have on the first dress. This is the most expensive item in my fix. This is $54. And I think this fits really well actually. It hits like a little bit above my knees. The print. At first I was worried it would be too small or too tight because I feel like I'm like moving into the size large range than medium, but I like how it's like cinched right here, so it's a little bit figure flattering, and it hits just right above the knees, which is nice. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Alright, now I am in the second dress, which is $48. And this one is also comfy. It's a lower cut than I thought it would be in the front. And this also does hit like a little bit above the knees. So is that too like cleavagey, do you think? Or is it like a flattering cut? Sorry, I don't mean to be too up in your face with my boobs, but I feel like my arms look a little fat, but that's just my personal thing these days. So yeah, I'm gonna snap a photo for Instagram and I will be right back. Alright, for the skirt, I just threw on that shirt I had on before. I wouldn't necessarily wear this together because it doesn't really match. But I wanted you guys to see what it looks like. Here, let me move this closer to the lights now. Sorry, that was shaky. So I do look like I have like a gut right now, but hopefully I start to lose weight, but the detailing is really pretty, I think. And let's see, how much is this one? All right, and this skirt is $48. So, yeah, those are all the clothing items. I'll show you a close-up of the earrings again. I'm gonna bring it closer to me. Whoa, I look greasy. And these were $34. So I would love your feedback. Please let me know what you think. And yeah, if you're interested in Stitch Fix, I will leave down my playlist in the description so you can see my past ones to see what else I've gotten. I highly recommend it. Obviously, I've been doing it for a long time. This is my 22nd fix. So I like the price range of this month so far. I do like everything. I mean, I feel like super large in this skirt, but I can see myself using it in the future. And it is pretty affordable. What is it? $48. And I do like the dresses. I like the first one better, even though I thought I would like the second one more. And the shirt was like an everyday wear type shirt. So yeah, I mean, the earrings too are cute. I think I'll only end up getting the earrings though if I keep everything, because I would actually save more than what the earrings cost, because I don't really need more jewelry, but I do like these. They're very like dainty and pretty and like perfect for the holidays. So yeah, this will be a tough choice. I can't wait to hear what you guys say. So thank you in advance for your opinions, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.